Hey everyone, my name's Ellie and today I'm going to show you how to take your ponytail from drab to fab in under 5 minutes using Clip Hair's wraparound ponytail hair extension. First start by brushing the ponytail to smooth the hair. Then go in and give your hair a good spritz with some hairspray to help flatten any flyaways and form a neat middle parting. To keep your ponytail extra snatched, use a bristle brush to smooth any lumps and bumps. Put your hair into the hairband and tightly secure. It's best to choose a hairband colour that matches your own hair to keep it discreet under the extensions. And if you don't have a hairband to hand, our ponytail already comes with a hairband that you can use. Great tip is to add another hairband just behind the first one to give your ponytail some extra oomph and stability. Clip the ponytail extension onto the hair in between the two hairbands. Then smooth around the hairpiece to make sure it's tangle free before wrapping it around the hair. Start wrapping the piece around the hairband to hide the attachments, spraying with hairspray and combing with a pintail comb as you go to keep it smooth and sleek. Keep wrapping the piece under and over the top of the ponytail until there is only a small amount left. I wanted to add that there are 36 beautiful shades to choose from, including blondes, brunettes, reds, blacks, highlights and balayages. My hair matches to the shade 6 light chestnut brown, which is super rich and natural looking. If you need any help finding your shade, Clip Hair also offer a free colour match service and it's so easy and quick to use. Simply send 2 to 3 pictures of your hair over to their WhatsApp and you'll have a match in minutes. Once you only have a small piece of hair left to wrap, use the grips that come along with the extensions to secure the leftover hair underneath the ponytail. It's best to use 2 to 3 grips to make sure the hair is super secure. Finish your ponytail with another brush to smooth away any flyaways or frizz and style however you wish. As the hair is human, it can be curled, straightened, waved, braided or even crimped. The possibilities are endless. Look how long and luscious the ends look, and it was all applied in under 5 minutes with zero stress. Clip Hair also sell these ponytails in 14 inches and 20 inches for shorter looks, and they come in over 36 different colours. What are you waiting for?